Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the battery, which is located in the upper left of the engine compartment. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 screws on the battery holding bar and extract it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Remove the protective plastic covers on the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the positive terminal and remove it. You can now remove the battery.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Put the plastic protective cover for the battery back. Start by screwing the holding bar back on by hand and finish off using a socket wrench. Finish by screwing the negative terminal in place. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.